What are Lego markers and how you can make money with them? Lego markers are taking something that has been already created and create your own creation, which is otherwise known as my own creation. So what we're going to be doing here is looking for sets that you can take and flip and make your own creation with. So we're looking for Lego robots. And specifically, we're looking for Lego robots that we can take parts and pieces of that set for super cheap and create your own creation with it. One thing that you want to look for is very good price. And here we have it. So this piece right here is going for less than 15 bucks. So that is our goal. Find something which is less than 15 with unique and different kind of figures that we can use to rebuild it into something amazing. Another set here that I really like is this specific set. We have the wheels here. We already have something that is already been pre-built. So all we have to do is to take this existing set and create our own version of it. It is only 15 bucks as well. So if we have different parts and pieces, we can customize it and then we can sell it for a lot higher price on Etsy or on eBay. So those are just a few ideas for you to go through. Now, if you don't see anything you like, you have to keep on searching until you find something that does work for you. Sometimes the prices are not going to be right here, and that's something you have to keep in mind. You don't want to spend too much money on any of those given sets if you are going to be creating a marker. So this one looks to be too used. As you can see, it already shows some dust, so that's one set I would definitely be staying away from. Plus the price is a little bit on the steep side as well. So one way to potentially enhance the amount of money that you can really make with Legovesting is to take something that is already selling in one set and create different variations and versions of it. So this is the green one, and what I did is I enhanced it. I actually went about and put different details in here, including change the hands as well. Such as right here, the hand itself is different, and the original one looked like this. So I didn't really change it with the original one. I don't have an original one to show you. This one right here is really different. So I did try to do custom modification to each one of them, including their legs. So the legs are pretty much the original thing, but each one of them has different variations to it as well. Now after I created this, I have decided to create a slimmed down version of the whole entire thing. Why is that slimmed down? Well, take a look at this. It's totally different. It has weapons right here, and in here I added something that looks like a very interesting round thing in the back. Also, if you want to look at the hands, there's a huge difference between the hands and the size of this. This is really bigger than this one. Look how slim those hands are with this version, and the legs are super slim as well. So this is a very slim version of the actual thing. Now when you go all the way in the back, you can see this is a much more simple version of the same exact design. But it does have something different than most of them don't have. It is the two blasters, guns, and two of those lights in the front. A few other things that makes a difference is the different minifigures over here. You can see different minifigures right there. Here we go, a different one as well. And lastly, the most important thing is I went in, reverse engineer, and created this magnificent thing. There's nothing like it. So I have decided, after I created one of those, let's make me the same exact thing, but add something extra to this, which is the whole mech to this, which is the wheels. So this has very nice tracks to the wheels instead of legs. Also the hands are totally different as well. So this is totally entire unique and different construction. In fact, this should be probably sold on Etsy also. But because the elements are so hard to find by, when those things sell, there's no more of them, and it's very hard for me to grab the pieces and get to create an additional one for sale. So since those things been selling so good, there is none of them anymore sold in my Etsy store or eBay. But this is just gives you an idea what kind of things you can go and create in order for you to create custom-made markers and list them up for sale. You can do colorful modifications, you can add extra parts, pieces, and add unique different minifigures to each of those sets, and it enhances the value of the different set. It makes somebody want to buy it for a lot more money. So for example, the pieces for those go around for 20 bucks, and so if you get it on eBay, then what you do is you reverse engineer the whole thing. You add different parts, pieces to everything, you make it more interesting and so on. And then after you do that, you go and add a minifigure, and then you up the value of the price. So it used to be 20 bucks, you up it all the way to 60 for the work and time and effort that you put into it. And if you do it a lot of times, you are definitely going to make a really good amount of money doing the same exact thing. And every time you do it, you come up with something even better. So that's a great way for you to create a custom-made marker sets using original Lego pieces and then taking an actual robot Lego and creating your own version of that set. So now it is your turn to do exactly that. Go ahead, look on eBay, try to look the keywords Lego robots and see if you can find any robot pieces and parts that you can take and create your own version.